Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn how to create your own song using AI. So first we need to write our song lyrics using ChatGPT. So we need to open ChatGPT and here we can write our song lyrics. Write a happy and excited song lyrics. Okay, and just enter. Just wait for a minute and then yeah, the song is ready. Then copy the lyrics. Just wait a second, we can copy. Okay, and then open new tab and search Suno and click on the first link. Here the site is open and just go to create section and make sure to check on custom button, otherwise we can't write our lyrics. Okay, so paste on lyrics and just go to downside. Yeah, here we can choose style. So here I can choose bass music and something brutal that all. Okay, we can write our title here, demo music. Okay, and just click on create button. Okay guys, just wait for a second. It will creating the music. Just wait for more seconds. Yeah, the first song is ready and second is also ready. Okay, listen. Okay, this is the song is ready, and even if you need to explore the more songs by created by another person, so we can go to home page and see there is many songs. Pulls my heart in hands. The air. Even the nights were too long, but I couldn't resist the pull of your song. Love is a gamble, a high stakes bet, but you gave me a look I can't forget. Wink of Jupiter. Okay, so if you want to explore more songs, you can come to homepage and explore it. Thank you.